Hello students, once again welcome to Tapasya Digital YouTube channel. Students, this is Suhas, your chemistry master teacher. Students, in this video, we are going to discuss entire BDC, chemical property and the preparation. Trust me students, if you watch this video till end, you can easily score minimum 4 marks in our upcoming NEET and JEE exam and also for your boards. Students, what is the full form of BDC? BDC is nothing but benzene diazonium chloride salt. Correct alva? What is the full form of BDC? Benzene diazonium chloride salt. In the case of the preparation, what is the starting material for the BDC? The starting material is aniline. What is the structure of aniline? Come on, let's write the structure of aniline. Aniline structure hegiruttappa. For one benzene ring is there. For that benzene ring, we have a NH2. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅನಿಲಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. For this aniline, what we do the oxidation ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ in the presence of what? Nitrous acid. Nitrous acid एक produce आगते है nitrous acid by using a sodium nitrate and in the presence of concentrated HCl at the temperature is important students. Temperature very important. ಯಾವ temperature ಅಲ್ಲಿ in the presence of or in between the range 270 through to 278. ಯಾವ range ಅಲ್ಲಿ 273 ಅಥವಾ 278 between this range. Otherwise sometime they will confuse you. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? They will mention in the degree Celsius. It is from the 0 degree to 5 degree Celsius. 0 ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 5 degree Celsius. We get a aniline structure ಏನು? Benzene ring ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Benzene ring NH2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ? We will get BDC. BDC ಏನು? N2 plus Cl minus. And also students, here in the case of BDC, we have another important point. BDC we can't store. Why? Sir, because it is a highly reactive. For example, if you store the BDC, then what it will happen? Maybe it will react with the oxygen present in the atmosphere and it will undergo oxidation. Okay now, we are not store the BDC, but we prepare the BDC at instantaneously. This is the preparation, very important for 2 marks. Always they will ask for your book. Then let's move for the chemical reaction. Students, BDC reaction, this one, it look like a cycle. Correct? BDC with the X minus any halides. X minus andre yavadu? Maybe chlorine, bromine or iodine. Most of the time we see the BDC as a chloride ion only. Chloride ion BDC ek form ಮಾಡೋದು. We take a aniline, we do the oxidation in the presence of HNO2. HNO2 ek produce ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ NaNO2 plus HCl at what is the temperature range? 0 degree to 5 degree or 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. Then after that, let's move for the first important reaction. It is also referred as a Sandmeyer reaction. What is Sandmeyer reaction? It is used to prepare halobenzenes or aryl halides. Especially aryl halides, very simple. What is the reagent? We use copper chloride. Correct alva? Copper chloride or cuprous chloride use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ and copper cyanide, cuprous cyanide use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? We get a nitrile, then we get a chlorobenzene. This is called as a, what is the reaction name? It is called as a Sandmeyer reaction. Then after that again, if we heated the BDC with K, what is the product? Aryl halide. Then if you do the reduction, very important, benzene barata. Yav reagent. If you use H3PO2, you get a benzene. Instead of H3PO2, if you use water use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? Phenol ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And also we will get a aryl fluoride by using HbF4. ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? hydrogen boroferrite ಅಲ್ವಾ? HbF4 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? aryl fluoride we get. Students, in this case we have another important reaction. It is referred as a Gattermann reaction. What is Gattermann reaction? Copper in the presence of HCl, in the presence of HCl, or sorry, copper in the presence of HCl, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? Again we get a cyanobenzene. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? We also called as a Gattermann reaction ಅಂತ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Come on, let's quickly summarize the chemical reaction again. First reaction used to prepare phenol by using a water reagent, and the second reaction by using H3PO2 we get a benzene, and also we have another few reagents. ಯಾವ್ದಾಯ್ತೆ? If you use HbF4 and if you heat the molecule, then you will get aryl fluoride, and also in the presence of copper in HCl you get a cyanobenzene. It is called as a Gattermann Sandmeyer. Okay, then let's move for the another reaction. What is the another reaction? Important, preparation of dye alva? Yellow dye and orange dye and other dyes. Yellow dye ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? aniline molecule ಜೊತೆನೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? yellow dye ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ phenol molecule ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the another dye. It is called as a coupling reaction. Whenever you react the BDC in the presence of benzene, ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? benzene, or it is also phenol molecule ಜೊತೆನೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೀವು. phenol molecule ಜೊತೆನೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This X molecule here hydrogen is there na, ಈ hydrogen ಜೊತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It will release as a HX. ಏನಾಗಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ HX and we get a azo compound. What is the azo compound and the di compound? Di formation. Okay students. Then after that we have a one question here to discuss. What is the product? Draw the product of this reaction. This question asked in the PYQ, NEET PYQ and as well as JEE PYQs. Very very important. Here they give a BDC, benzene diazonium chloride and the one molecule. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ exactly here in this position hydrogen chlorine ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ exactly para position ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ coupling ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Come on, let's write the structure. Here we have a benzene ring, one benzene ring, clear. Then after that it will form a N double bond N. ಯಾವುದು azo compound formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, N double bond N, and we have a another benzene ring with a N. What is the name of the molecule? In name, comment in the comment section. And also students, thank you so much for watching the video till end, and please do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel. Thank you.